Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing this black mirror clock. If you are interested in this product, I'll put a link in the video description where you can get it direct. So first off, you see we got a little manual here. We got our power supply, so it does use a USB for power. So that can be plugged into a USB port, a computer, laptop, even a gaming system, a computer, pretty much anything with a USB plug. So here we go. So as you can see, you can understand now why it's called a mirror clock. And let's take this off. Look at that. So it's a clock that is also a mirror. So you can look at it. It's highly stylish. And it looks like it already supplies batteries. So we just pull this out. Up here you got Snooze. Over the side here you got USB ports as well as the power supply. And over here you got your buttons. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So as you can see, you can clearly read the numbers. And if we turn off the light, you can really see. So we go over here onto the side. You can press this to turn the alarm on, it looks like. But if you go under mode, you can set the alarm. And if we go back here, there's obviously the battery port. Here you can hang it if you want, and here our speaker, so you can hear it. So on the side here, you have two USB ports, so you can actually charge some devices with this. If you have the USB to whatever device you want to charge, so your cell phone, your tablet. So it makes it pretty much a 2-in-1. You got the clock and you also a charging station. And you can easily see from all angles, I mean even almost straight down, the clock itself. So a few how-tos. If you press and hold the M button, it will go through the time mode, so you can change it from 24 hours, let's drop it down to 12 hours, and then you press the M again, and now you can change the time, which would help if we actually know what time it is, 9:13. So let's go, so that would be PM, it says PM right there, so we don't want PM, so let's go to AM. So 9, and then we press the M, and now it goes over to the minutes, and we go ahead, pick the minutes, and we press the M, and now it should be set. So alarm, you can turn on and off. We're gonna keep it off for right now, and there we go. You can set the alarm settings, the snooze settings, when the alarm beeps, automatic and manual dimming. So you can have this that it automatically dims for you. That way it's not so super bright at nighttime. That's what this little sensor is for. You have a night mode setting that you can display and change it within the settings. So just simply check out your owner's manual. But I like this. It's, you know, sometimes you get alarm clocks and clocks that are overly bulky, so they're just a pain, they're a nightmare. You get ones that are can't really display it that well. I mean, even with our light being turned on, you can easily see the display. And it's really nice. So overall, I'm very happy with this. It's very, very lightweight. Very simple. And you get enough power cord that will definitely reach pretty far. So you got tons of cord. Nice thing, you know, you can charge it here. So I think I might actually use this as my personal one right beside my bed. I actually really do like this. I like the mirror effect. It just makes it look really sleek and stylish. It's thin. It's not bulky. We can charge our phone every night. So overall, I'm super happy with this. And our first initial review, I think we can give it 4 out of 5 stars. So a 4-star rating, which would be probably about a 7.9 to 8.3 out of 10 rating from me. Very happy with that. If you are interested, there's a link in my video description where you can get this at.